So in this section, that is section 4, we are going to see alternate installation methods. And why are we actually using virtualization is that because in previous section you might face some issues, and in this section we'll use VMware, which is virtual system or virtualization software for Windows and Mac. So you can install a computer inside a computer. So for example, if you have a computer which is your host computer, and inside that you can create separate computers. So that is like creating virtual computers, or computer inside computer, or laptop inside laptop, and things like that. So we'll be installing VMware, we'll be installing OS X on VMware, and I hope this is the easiest method to install OS X on third party non-Apple hardware, but again, this is not stable.